I'm going to show you how to fix AutoHotkeyUX.exe fatal error. So let's start. The first method, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and then select Task Manager. Now this window will pop up. So what you need to do is to go to the search bar, search for hotkey, and make sure you have no hotkey application is running. So I did close it before I do that, so that's why you can find it. Just deselect the search, look for any suspicious and unused app that you can easily terminate. So once you find it, just right click on it and then select End Task. After that, close the task manager. Now go to the Windows icon right here and select Settings. Now go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that, make sure to check for the latest updates and make sure to download any failed updates you will find by selecting Retry All. After that, go open the Steam launcher or any launcher that you have the game on. Go to the Steam logo in the top left corner and select Check for Steam Client Updates. It will start by checking your version of the Steam. If you do have an older version, it will prompt you to download the latest one with the button appearing next to the close button. If you don't have that, you should be good to go, so click close. After that, go to the view in the top left corner and select library. Now you just need to look for the game in the left menu, which is ARC Raiders. I will show you using another game. You just need to select it. After that, select this gear icon in the right and click on properties. In the launch options, select -DX11. After that, select installed files on the left and click on verify integrity of game files. That way any missing or corrupted file will be safely recovered and hopefully it will fix your issue. Just make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.